All right, welcome to February 2021, and we're starting off with a daily scripture challenge, and I'm going to be using our scripture text, and we do a daily text every day with our congregation, so you're already familiar with this. You know what I'm talking about. You can find out more details and more information on my Instagram, and I will be doing a blog post on this later today, giving you links, but just any Bible that you have that you like to use, just go right ahead, jump right in with us, follow along on this. So taking from the daily text, today's scripture was Psalms 33:5, Jehovah loves justice. So my thoughts on this, meditating on the information from the article. Justice means, as used in the Bible, to do right without partiality, according to God's standards. Jesus' example of justice is what I can imitate. He accepted those with faith, preached to rich and poor, all who would listen. He respected women and was kind to them. So I can show impartiality, I can be impartial, I can deal impartially with others. And so I'm very grateful and thankful for that. So I used my stamp that has thanks in the definition, and I just stamped it all down here. And then I have my floral stamp, which is a 2 1/4 inch EK Success brand. And then I have my tag punch, which is 2 3/16. And I don't know, okay, Recollections is that brand. So 5.60 centimeters is on there as well for any of you who go by centimeters. So I just punched out using the same paper that I made on the cover, and just am going to glue these in place just to add some extra prettiness to this whole process. So my husband and I just sat down this morning together and we read this together. He has a journal, so he's writing in his journal, and I'm writing in my journal. So he wrote what he got out of it, and then we read what we put down to each other. And so now this is going to be a great way for us to do our family worship together every day. And I love starting it off with on a spiritual note. I always read my daily text every morning, but now him and I being able to do this together is fantastic. So there'll be days, maybe it won't be in the morning, maybe it'll be in the evening, just depending on if we have appointments or he needs to get out the door extra early and before I get out of bed or something like that. So, but it doesn't matter. So maybe if you're just by yourself or there's no one else in your household that wants to do it with you, then just follow along with us. And if you have an Instagram account, you can use the hashtag dailytextchallenge and post your pictures on your Instagram for others to come along and to see them as well. So we can all encourage one another by doing this together. So it's just this quick and easy. It doesn't take a lot of effort. I believe probably 10 minutes. Him and I just discussed this together. And now we have a beautiful scripture to meditate on the rest of the day, and remembering Psalms 33:5, that Jehovah loves justice, because all his ways are just and true. And I decided to go with the tacky glue with this because I didn't want to have the pages starting to buckle up on me. That should be good enough to hold those into place. I'm going to have to add a little bit more pressure on them. Might sneak in with some tacky glue underneath some of these that are wanting to peek up a little bit later on, but I don't need to do that right now. So just that quick and easy. How beautiful is that? So I just used my markers. These are from Stamping Up. I've showed you these before. And this, I think, is, I don't know what the set is called. Mini Marvelous Markers, watercolor base, and then I just put a little box around the scripture, around the date, so every page will be dated. All right, so now let me flip over here to this page with you, and this is what I was going to actually just go ahead and color in with you. So I used my 2 stamps that I have. One says joy, one says grateful, and just stamp down here. And so now I'm going to come in and just fill in. I'd used pencil first because I just wanted to make sure it was going to be the way I wanted it to look. So I'll use the fine tip. This has a fine tip point, and then it has a coloring fatter tip point on this. You don't have to do the art journaling part of it if you don't want to. If you just want to stick with doing the basics, then that's great. That's fine too. And it's up to you exactly what you want to do with it. Nobody's going to judge you. It's just something encouraging to do together. So welcome to everyone who is new to my channel. Thank you for joining me here at Markets of Sunshine and our February Daily Text Challenge. And this is going to really be more of a art journal as well. So a daily scripture, Bible study. And I'm just going to use different colors, whatever pops out at me. I'm just going with it. I'm not really giving it much thought at all. I just want it to be something fun that I do. So I want to get this first page just decorated up really nice. And tried to do a little fancier penmanship than normal. When I was in high school, I really had very nice penmanship. Very calligraphy style. But I got out of the habit of using it and it kind of faded away, so I have calligraphy books and templates to practice. And I'll get them out every now and again and sit down and practice, but I really don't dedicate time to it that I would need to and to really, get good at it. But I think I do a pretty good job with I like what I do here. So, all right, so that's it. That quick and easy. No big deal. So here's the cover again, in case you missed that yesterday. You can watch the video. It was all about taking the composition book and decorating it, making it pretty. And then also I mentioned with you to come in and glue the pages together, so I'll go ahead and do that on this one. So I will finish that up today. It will be to glue all the pages in place. So thank you for being here with me today, and tomorrow we'll be back the same time, probably, or sometime in the day, and I will show you the next scripture and my artwork to go along with it, and then whatever little decorations I decided to put on the page as well will be added to it. So it's going to be a crafting and art journal project for the whole month. It's going to be lots of fun. So everything that I can incorporate into the pages like I did here with the tags, I think that's what I'll do. So just using whatever I have. Could be stickers, washi tape, just anything that I want to do that I just want to add some extra beauty to the whole project for the month. So thank you for being here with me today. I hope you have a great day. And subscribe to my channel if you want to follow along. If you want to go back and watch some of my videos, I'll have the playlist here at the end with the altered books, the junk journals, and embroidery, quilting, whatever it is you would like to learn from me here on the channel. Have a great day and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.